Good morning, everyone. My name is Pushpalata. I am going to explain the business law topic, the Indian Contract Acts. Then Indian Contract Acts at 1872 governs contractual relationship in India and is divided into two parts. A contract is an agreement enforced by law. Breakdown the agreement section C, offer and acceptance. Enforceability equal to legal obligations are not just moral or social. For example, agreement, I promise to deliver goods. Contract means if the promise is enforceable in court, it becomes a contract. For example, selling a car at rupees 2 lakhs, when the both agree it's contract, one that can law declare void. What are the types of contracts? We will see one by one. First one is valid contract. Next one, void contract, voidable contract, illegal contract, unenforceable contract, express contract, and then implied contracts, executed contract, executory contracts, and utilitarian contract. First one we will see one by one. Valid contract. Valid contract that meet at essential elements and is enforceable by law. For example, A agrees to sell his bike to B for 10,000. Both sign a written agreements. Next one is void contract. A contract that is enforceable by law. For example, a contract to import a product, but later the government bans it. Third one is voidable contract. A contract that is enforceable at the options of one part only. For example, A monitor is forced into the contract by B. A can choose accept to void it. Next one is illegal contract. Illegal contract involving unlawful acts not enforceable by law. For example, A agrees to pay B rupees 50,000 smuggle goods. This is illegal contracts. And fifth one is enforceable contract. That is called contract but cannot be enforceable due to some technical defects. For example, not in writing or improper stamp duty. For example, an oral agreement that sell land without any registration. This is called as an unenforceable contract. Sixth one is express contract. Express contract, terms of contract are expressly state the word spoken or written. For example, A and B sign an agreement for software development. Next one is impelled contract. Impelled contract, word influenced by contract or circumstance. For example, ordering food in a restaurant, impels to will to pay for it. This is called as impelled contract. Next one is executed contract. Whether both parties were fulfill their obligations is called as executed contract. For example, A pays 2 rupees 500 to B, deliver a book contract complete. Ninth one is executory contract, whether the performance is due by one or both parties. For example, agree to deliver goods next week, but B will pay after delivery. This is called as executory contract. Final one is unilateral contract, one side contract. only one party has to act. For example, A offer rupees 1000 to anyone who find his lost dog. This is unliterate contract. These are the contracts are involved in types of contract. Thank you for this session.